Hello, good morning, guys. Good afternoon. Today, I'm going to show you how you can change some settings in Factor. I'm going to also draw some plans for those who have not used the software and not those who are still using or having some issues. I want to show you some few things in this software. You see here, this is ceiling framing. You can see what is written here. It is a ceiling framing plan. So here you see it's black here, which is actually required by the department for approval, black and white. But you can change this color by clicking it. You click it. This is Shift default settings. You see, this is default settings. So you can have this. You can also have black and white. So this is what I did. I highlighted it, then change it to black. Always watch what is happening here. If it doesn't change black here, or it doesn't turn any color here, that means no effect. When I turn it here now, it happens. So that is how you can change it. And go. So let's open a few pages, then we can draw a new pattern. So let's say maybe you have something like this. I think this right. Okay, we have three. I was thinking about 400 to 500. Maybe that could help. Let's see. So we can, let me adjust it. So let me see. Yes, worship you. Lift up, worship you. Okay, so let's see. Okay, I think we have something like this. Let me create some. I want to create some ads. Can you call it little? Maybe this. Maybe this. Let's see. Yes. Can call here my kitchen. Let me just see. Let's see. Adoration. As we feel the moment, the majesty and glory, let anointing fall. We declare the name of Jesus as Lord. May the power of your salvation fill us to you. Yeah. So we have word divider, anti-factor. All these words, I hope you remember, they have settings. You can make it visible and invisible here. No room modding. You can want to remove the room mode. So I want to see. I want to see. Okay, that's fine. Sorry, I'm having a little cough. So I'm trying to show you how you can start. Because from what I'm doing, if you want to do 3D modeling, let's remove this. I think that would be far better. So I can have a slider door here. A slider door. Remember, you can always remove this set label. You double click. You come to label. Same thing when you try to send this to layout. There are some label you have to. If you want to remove this label, just go. Maybe you want to type it by manually. Sorry. You can always use this, or you can always use Control E. Label, suppress it. So you see, it has disappeared. This is layout. This is how you send a work to layout. I don't want to save it yet. So We have our. I want this to look this way. So let me see. I want this the entrance. Then you see, here you can flip the door. You can also turn it to the. Let me call this a bedroom. Bedroom. Bedroom one. You can always change this to bedroom one or two. You see, so you can always stay in one or two. Then let's have some windows. You set your window. I double click the windows. I want to leave it left sliding. I like this type of window, so I normally use this window. You come here, you fix. Let's fix one here. I want to fix door here. Okay, we can also have window here, door one. Maybe yeah, our sink should be here. Window for bedroom. It's okay. Okay, let's see. Okay, we all have. I think we can return those this. We can return this. Yeah, I think we have built something. We built something. Yeah, we built something nice. We come in here. You come in, then you enter, then bedroom, then you do something. There's a way you can change this door. You want to make it wooden color, maybe a wooden color. Let's say you go material, select the interior. This is for interior, so you can select any type of wood. I mean, I like using this. I like this is partition circular. So you can equally use this. Let's use this one. Let's use circular. So let's tie this. So you can see. So we have built a tiny house here, a one bedroom tiny house. So let's try and make roof here. Maybe roof. You see, I'm going to show you something. What this auto rebuild roof. I want to show you how it means. But first, let's build this roof. Let's use this as the pitch. So build roof. You see here, we cannot see the roof here. So we have to go for camera. Then this is full perspective. While here you have perspective floor only. That's the way we are. But now let's use full perspective. You can see. So okay. We have our building here. Yes. How does it look? Let me see. Okay. So you see here we don't have our foundation. So maybe in our next tutorial, I will build foundation and I will detail it here, like river connections. I'll show you how to add your boats and also build decks. I'll build deck in this plan. But for now, let me show you something I skipped. I want to turn this to a gable roof. If you see, here it's showing me no. Let's see. I want you to see the prompt. So you see what is right. Okay, so let me you see change to gable walls. Now right now we are having a hip wall, but here it's asking us to change to gable wall. So let me change it to gable wall. I've changed this to gable wall. Then nothing happens. Normally we are supposed to have something or rectangle here. So but nothing happened. So let's open object or control E. I like using control E. Go to roof. You do no. You go to roof, roof setting. Now, if you remember when I want to build the roof, I didn't turn off the auto. Now I want to turn the auto review. You can see what I mean. There you go. So now you can see. Yeah? You see what I mean? So you have a roof. See how you do your roof. And if you see now, you see, if I look at it, so this can work. If I turn it now, because I've turned it on now, so it can always work. You see, and I can place my vent window if I want to. If I can select any type, I want rectangular, if I want, or if I want oval. Okay, you see, because you know I reduced the height. Yeah, so if we turn to elevation, you can see what we have here. Remember, we don't have our foundations. I will try and build foundations in the next tutorial. But for here, let me show you something. There's something you call POP ceiling, but it is actually called a tray ceiling. Let's build a tray ceiling. Let's build one here. Look at the tray ceiling. You see, you highlight inside. Make sure it is highlighted. Then you pick one. Make tray ceiling. Make room modeling. But we want to make a tray ceiling. You click. Let me change to 12 by 12. Yeah, give that 12 by 12. You see, this is our tray ceiling. Let me show you the 3D. You can see what we mean. This is what I mean. See, this is what I mean. So by the time we start 3D, you see you can add some lighting effects. You can light some lighting effects. Maybe you add one. Add this. You can see. So you can see there's difference between here. This is flat. This is tracing. This is how you make tracing. So in the next tutorial, I'm going to be showing you foundation. Then I will detail the foundation. Then we'll create some elevations. So let's keep for this for now. Thank you for watching.